My name is Luke, and today we're going to build the Otto robot. I might take you to this website. So first, we go on here, we always go on Google, and then boom, we did it. It's called the IODIY. Alright, now we're going to click Build. We're going to click Build. Now we're going to press that one. Alright, here are the instructions. Okay, back here, so I've got back here. Now go down and auto start. Now we always have to download it. And we're gonna download this. All print files MB. Now I open the zip file. I drag these files over there. Then we'll fly 3D, sorry. So we're gonna press this one. Oops, sorry. We pressed it. Save. Yes. Now we save this file. Now we're gonna go to the printer. It's called the OctoPrint. I'm gonna show you the time-lapse. Wait, oops. These are the parts I purchased. This is this. And now I'm going to show you how to build it. So we put in the servos and now we're going to do more parts. We just see a screwdriver. We have the left and the right foot silver in there. Two are the servos, two blue boxes, and these are the wires for the servos. I connect it to the servo. Make the robot move. The servos make the robot move the legs. These three cables are connected to the sensor, which are the eyes. Oh. Two more. My dad put two more boxes in here. The boxes, I mean, they make the legs move. I need four of them. So the two legs could come up, so my dad screwed it. Their legs were too arched up. My dad screwed it. So I connected everything and I put the battery in. So we'll put these two holes in. And make that beeping sound. Going right here. Now, and then we're gonna put the heads on. So now we got that. It's two. Here we go.
Okay.
Now we did it. Here's your favorite. We're done with the robot, but now we're gonna test it. We could turn it on and maybe it can walk. Let's try. Program the robot to do things I want. I'm gonna show you how to connect the USB and under the computer. in order for me to program it. This is how you go to auto blocking. And it's our program. So you got music, you got the robot, you got backwards, turn left, and forward. So now we're gonna press the screen button and program it. Now the programming is in the robot. Now go turn on.
Now turn it off.
This is how you build an auto robot. Thank you for watching and bye.